Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by securing essentials. Enroll in the Apple Developer Program and enable two-factor authentication so your account can sign apps securely. Once done, create the app record in App Store Connect with a unique bundle ID and SKU. This links metadata to builds. Then, set up Xcode, add provisioning profiles and certificates to sign your app. This early work prevents submission rejections, so make sure credentials, team ID, and signing identities match between Xcode and App Store Connect. Next, you compile and archive the app in Xcode, producing a build that App Store Connect accepts. Export the App Store build and upload it. Once uploaded, use TestFlight to invite internal and external testers so you can find real-world bugs and iterate quickly. Meanwhile, prepare your app listing. Optimize screenshots for device sizes, a concise description, relevant keywords, and the correct age rating. These steps improve discoverability and reduce review friction, so take time to polish them. Finally, you submit the app. Select a release type, complete export compliance and privacy questions, then submit for review. After submission, monitor App Store Connect for status updates and any reviewer notes. Respond quickly when asked. If Apple rejects the build, read the rejection reason, fix the issue, increment the build number in Xcode, re-upload, and resubmit. This avoids caching problems. One key troubleshooting tip. Use the Resolution Center to ask clarifying questions when rejection reasons are vague.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.